that you're feeling blue, 'cause I'm here to stay.
Of course, you all know the big block Chevy that's here, and its transmission is right here. Also, I have the all four-wheel drive transfer case here. The plan is we're going to get all this stuff together. We're going to install it in a Camaro and make it all-wheel drive. It's something I haven't done before, but I think I got the goods to give it a try and make it work. I always wanted to have a muscle car that has all-wheel drive and lots of power, then you won't lose any traction. It's not only safe, but it's really fast, so that's one of my dreams. I think I could do it. I can handle it. Yeah. Got everything I need here. I just need the axles that come from here, and the ones that go here in the front, and they go sideways here. That's what I need. Alright. So, let's take a look at this engine. Here's the Orient Express engine. It's a 2.8 liter Nissan diesel RD28. You can see she's a beauty. This thing will run forever. It's also very durable. Pulled out the original V8 engine that was in here, the Triton multi-valve engine. I didn't do it, the other mechanic did it, but I can do this anyway. This is not that hard. So, this is what's in the Orient Express right now. It gets great gas mileage, right at about, I calculated at about 44 to the gallon, so it's pretty good. Alright, so, let me get going. Today's adventure, we're going to be going to see the Marine base near TERNATE, Cavite. It's in the Nagsugbu area in the mountains, and we're going to be enjoying the scenery there, and also we're going to go and check out the monkeys and feed the monkeys. They're the Philippine makak, that's what they are. On the way to where we're going, our destination, we'll be going on this road, the Maragondon Road. It's going to be taking us up to the mountains, as you can see as we're approaching the Maragondon Mountains. In this route, there are many resorts you can take along the way. In the beginning, you can see the mountain sides as we're going to here. There's a lot of restaurants along the way. There's resorts on the way called Canyon Cove, that's closer to Nasugbu, Batangas, and also Pico de Loro, and all the other areas there that are right by the sea. These areas have a beautiful sunset right at around 4:30 to 6:30 in the afternoon, and it is a sight to behold, trust me. I'm gonna step at some mountain retreat. I forgot the name of it. It's Sabor de Pueblo. We're gonna have lunch right now. This looks good to me. Papaya.
It's overripe, this one. You need to get this one. Oh.
Whatever, as long as it's not too ripe.
Ito nga ate, oh. Ano ko to? Dalawa.
So we're in the mountains, as you can see. It's a really nice view. For Christmas Day, everybody's out. I don't know why. But it's a weekend thing, right?
Diyan ka lang, ah.
Right. Okay, we've arrived. Now, it's time to feed the monkeys. Here you video me. I'm gonna feed the monkey.
Bigyan mo yung maliit. Yung maliit eh.
Is it recording? Yeah. He's friendly, actually. Just hold on.
Ay, sayang naman na lang. Guys, may presto ako, guys. Kaon.
Kaon mo na yan.
Atak ko. Hindi na sila. Atak ko. Ay, kaon. Agawin mo daw. ito. Ikaw din. Ito ah. Ay, putik ka. Yan o. Ito, isa. Oh, hindi kaya mo. Yeah, the little one. Bigay mo yung maliit. Yung maliit boards.
Is it on?
Oo. Yung mataka, wag mong bigyan kasi malaki. Yung maliit na lang. Yung dalawang maliit to, yung isa.
Can't be too close.
Lawa kami mga idea yung...
Told you they love these things.
Akin na lang ako magpipicture.
Ay, yung isa nagkain na nga, oh.
Malikod kayo.
Come. This one is an old one. You see his teeth are a little bit rotten.
Ah, kasi bulok na yung ngipin. Ayan, lapit na siya. Ayan na.
Take a picture of me.
Ah. You can just screenshot in the video the pictures down.
Just a little baby, yeah.
No, you put it down because I put it down. Then he got it na lang. Oh, he's scared kasi, oh. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, ilagay mo. Kukunin niya yan. Oh, dali. Oh, di ba? Yung isa doon, yung isa
See, I'm
doon.
not
No?
monkeying around.
Ayun na yung isa dapat, yung maliit na sa taas siya, nagtago siya eh.
Looks like a tarsier, don't it?
Yan matanda na birds.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's why he's very friendly. I was shocked. He's like, oh, it's too much for me.
Ayoko. Ito, bigyan mo. Ano.
Closer.
Ayun dapat yung isa.
How many did you give him?
No, he got a lot from you. Like 4 of them.
Jesus Christ.
See, he keeps on eating kasi you gave him like 4. Ayun yung isa. Doon sa isa kasi mabait.
That monkey ate 4 cookies on its own. Jesus Christ. That's like an equivalent of you eating a softball-sized cookie, but 4 of them at one time. Amazing. Jesus.
Ayun na eh. Isa oh.
Oh, they just love this
Ito.
stuff.
Ito. Oh, dito. Dito. Yan.
Little man isn't stupid, huh?
Ito yung kawawa dapat to. Parang payat to.
Let's monkey around on Christmas Day. That's what I'm talking about.
Ayun na. Nasa baba.
Oh no, it's gonna come in. You don't like flies. I think he likes sweets a lot.
If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever.
Tex-Mex soup. Delicious. And Philippine Barako coffee. Also delicious. Yum. Ronaldo's, and as you can see, I ordered the fish and chips today. I ordered the Filipino Barako coffee. I also ordered the Tex-Mex soup, which is over here. And my friend ordered the baby back ribs from hell. This is really gourmet.
Don't show my
just look
face.
at that. I'm not gonna. So, she don't want me to show her face. Okay, you see that? Isn't that wonderful? All right, so I'm gonna go commence on eating, and after this, we're gonna continue the videos. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, she's got done eating lunch at Reynaldo's Steakhouse. It's really a good place to eat, and the food was good that I ate. All right, I hope you like that, and there's more adventures to come. Just be kind and hit your notification bell, your like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in the future, and then we will get back to you. BBG out.